Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how to create posters using Gelato. We'll focus on designing a museum-quality, ready-to-hang poster, and I'll guide you through each step of the process. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the Gelato dashboard. Head over to the Stores section, select your store platform, whether it's Shopify, Etsy, or another option, and click on Add Product. For this tutorial, I'm choosing a single product. Step 2. Selecting the poster type and frame. Take some time to explore the different options for wall art and select the category that work best for your designs in store. Today, I'm choosing a museum-quality, premium framed poster. These posters are printed using advanced printing technology that ensures sharp, vibrant, and durable images. The frames are crafted from FSC-certified wood, ensuring sustainability without compromising on quality. You can choose between various sizes and frame colors to match your aesthetic. Today, I'll go with a few different sizes and frame colors. With the premium frame, the wood grain will be visible. Step 3. Customizing your poster design. With your product selected, it's time to add your design. In the top right corner, I'll ensure I have apply changes to all variants turned on so that I can upload the design to all sizes. I'll upload my artwork directly, but you can also create a design using Gelato's built-in tools such as text, graphics, and the Shutterstock photo library. Once I've uploaded my design, I'll check the individual variants to make sure the design has applied correctly across the different sizes. Step 4. Reviewing and finalizing your design. Before moving forward, take a moment to preview your design. Gelato's platform makes it easy to see exactly how your final product will look. You can view your design within the frame and ensure everything is perfectly aligned. Step 5. Finalizing and publishing your product. Once you're satisfied with your design, move on to the mock-up stage. Here you can choose mock-ups that best showcase your framed poster in various settings. This helps customers visualize how the product will look in their own spaces. After that, add a compelling product description, set your price, and publish your product. Once everything is live, I always recommend checking your store to ensure everything looks just right. Here's what my finished premium frame poster looks like. It's ready to hang and ready to impress. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. You can find more tips for designing wall art in our links below. Happy creating!